What is financial literacy? Understanding how to manage money. Financial literacy means knowing how to earn, save, spend, and manage money wisely. What is income? Money earned. Income is the money you receive from work or other sources. What is a budget? A plan for money. A budget helps you track income and expenses. What is saving? Keeping money for later. Saving helps prepare for future needs and goals. What is an expense? Money spent. Expenses are the costs of goods and services. What is a bank? A place to keep money. Banks help people save, manage, and access money. Why is saving important? To prepare for the future. Saving provides financial security and helps achieve goals. What is a financial goal? A money-related target. Financial goals help guide money decisions. What is spending wisely? Making careful purchases. Wise spending helps avoid unnecessary expenses. What is a need? Something essential. Needs are things required for daily living. What is a want? Something desired but not necessary. Wants are things people would like to have. What is debt? Money owed. Debt is money borrowed that must be repaid. What is borrowing? Using someone else's money temporarily. Borrowed money usually needs to be repaid. What is interest? Extra money paid or earned. Interest is charged on loans or earned on savings. What is a loan? Money borrowed. A loan is money received that must be repaid later. What is an emergency fund? Money saved for unexpected needs. Emergency funds help during financial surprises. What is investing? Using money to grow wealth. Investing can help money increase over time. What is financial responsibility? Managing money wisely. Financial responsibility helps maintain stability. What is a bill? Amount owed for a service or product. Bills must usually be paid by a certain date. What is a paycheck? Money received for work. A paycheck is payment for a job or service. What is comparison shopping? Comparing prices before buying. Comparison shopping helps find better value. What is overspending? Spending more than planned. Overspending can cause financial problems. What is financial planning? Organizing money decisions. Financial planning helps achieve goals efficiently. What is a purchase? Buying something. A purchase is an exchange of money for goods or services. What is value for money? Getting quality for the price paid. Value means receiving worthwhile benefits from a purchase. What is a receipt? Proof of purchase. Receipts show what was bought and paid for. What is financial security? Being prepared financially. Financial security helps reduce money worries. What is a savings account? A bank account for saving money. Savings accounts help keep money safe and accessible. What is earning money? Receiving money for work or services. Earning money is the first step in managing finances. What is financial literacy's main goal? To make smart money decisions. Financial literacy helps people manage money effectively throughout life.